Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Insta360 files for editing with DaVinci Resolve, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the latest version of DaVinci Resolve installed on your computer. Next, launch DaVinci Resolve and create a new project or open an existing one. Import your Insta360 files into the media pool by clicking on the Media tab in the bottom panel. Browse to the folder where your Insta360 footage is stored. Select the files you want to edit and click on the Open button. Once imported, right-click on the files in the media pool. Choose the Resolve Color Management option from the context menu. In the settings that appear, enable the Use DaVinci Resolve Color Science. Now, move back to the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. Drag your Insta360 clips from the media pool to the timeline. To ensure smooth playback, select the clips in the timeline. Next, go to the Inspector panel located in the top right corner of the interface. Adjust the playback speed to optimize the performance if necessary. If your footage needs stitching, right-click on the clip in the timeline. Select Open in Fusion from the options that appear. Once in Fusion, you can access advanced editing tools for stitching and effects. After making the necessary adjustments, return to the Edit tab. Preview your edits by playing the timeline. If you're satisfied with your work, proceed to export the final video. Click on the Deliver tab at the bottom of the screen. Choose your desired export settings, including file format and resolution. Finally, click on the Add to Render Queue button. When ready, hit the Render All button to start exporting your project. By following these steps, you can seamlessly authorize Insta360 files for editing in DaVinci Resolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.